For today's video, it's about putting Android screen here. I will be using Alphacoustic T5 10-inch. Okay, so let's see how does it look after. It's finally done after more than an hour, and this is how it looks. Actually, they told me it will be finished for about 3 to 4 hours, but for just more than 1 hour and a half, it's finished. So let's see. Okay, so it's gonna be like this, and let's look at how it goes. Actually, this is with front and back recording camera, and then if we look at the videos that it has been taken when I was driving, so let's go to playback, and then this one is for the front, and it's gonna be like that. That's the front, and if you want to look at the back, okay, this is okay, that's the back. And then if we go back to home, this is how to connect the internet settings, and then Wi-Fi, and let's have this. Okay, and connect, and then yes, connected. So let's go back, let's see the double screen. It can use 2 screens, yeah. And then, and here we go, search. Okay, and if like this, I will make it full. Here, click here, full video. Yes, that's it. And normally at night I don't like the screen so bright when I look at driving, when I drive. So if we listen video, and then we can just turn off the screen. This is the entrance from the... Okay, I can turn off the screen, but the video or the music that you're listening from the YouTube is still going on. Okay, and minus, that's it. And then if I want a double screen, split screen, click this one here, and then click this and split screen, and then I can turn this. And if like normally if we drive and then we want Google Map and we use the YouTube, so we can do the split screen. Example, it's gonna be like this, let's see, and I can click this one here and search. Where will I go? Example, I will go to the shop where I put this. Okay, and then can continue playing here and make it even bigger like that, and then I can go this way, start. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Wait, start. Oh, so that's it.
Southeast, then turn left.
So I can drive, and if ever I will backward,
North in Chilbury Power Sound V9. Make close within 1 hour.
This one, the video and the map still continue even if I use the back camera when I move backward. Okay, so when I reverse, and what else? To check this out, click here, and then turn off, and then click this one, Oh, turned off. And then click this one to make it bigger.
Here's the stove
Hmm.
and cups for coffee.
So that's it.
A big gas.
And next, what else? So it's gonna be like this.
Water heater.
So YouTube, and if I put the back,
You get a lot of
it still continue. Okay, and then
coffee here.
as what I have said, if I turn it off, the screen, only the screen, and then it's still continuing the video. Okay, so next, what else? By the way, I was told like
And then they've got the Wi-Fi.
and then I was told like the, what is it? Display. So if I want the display brighter or just this one, I can
GPS
adjust.
signal lost.
And then come back here, and yeah, that's it. So Bluetooth, music, equalizer, and then come back and home here, volume, and yeah, that's it. But actually this is not the Alpha Acoustic T5 that I said a while ago in my video, because when I went to the shop they told me that T5 is gonna be very slow because it only has 2 RAM and 32 ROM, and it has 8 core, but the RAM is 2, so they told me to get this 4 RAM and 64 ROM with 8 core, so it's gonna be better. That's what they said. So this is it, and this is not Alpha Acoustic, it's HiNet. Okay, so that's it guys, and please subscribe.
The wipers